So a real short video today, guys. This is a bathroom fan. After time, these fans get wobbly, get loose on the shaft there, and then it starts making really funky sounds. See how it's all jiggling when it spins? You maybe can't see it, but anyway, so we're gonna try to figure out how to get this tightened back up. I've glued it actually in the past with epoxy or something, but it just keeps wobbling out. See, I can wiggle it side to side. I shouldn't be able to do that. So what I'm thinking about doing, I can't remember if I put this washer on or not, so I'm not sure if yours will have a washer like this already, but I think I'm gonna build this up with my welder, tack some weld around here, and then grind it back down, but leave it bigger than it is right now. So I'm gonna get a measurement on this before I do that, so I don't make it back smaller than it is right now. I'm gonna put some more on there. Just want to clean it up a little bit. It's bigger. Too big still, good. Okay, so we're just a little fat in the back than the front, so I'll straighten that out a little bit and then try it, because it's getting pretty close. It's about 290, and I think originally it's supposed to be a 1/4 inch, so 250, so that's 0.25. Really close. Probably need to go down a little bit more. Okay, let's see. Oh crap. It's not wobbling up and down anymore, that's for sure. Like, you know what I mean, side to side. So it's just digital. We'll just see.
It's definitely quieter.
Yeah, that's what we're after. It's not down all the way either, I don't think. There, a little bit tighter. All right, well, this turned out pretty good. I know this isn't the most expensive thing to replace, but I always like to try to fix things, you know, save a buck here or there. And since I just got a new welder, it gave me an excuse to use it. So, till next time, guys, good luck with all your projects.